Today is a really exciting day at Jagged X Off-Road. After months and months of waiting, our Polaris Expedition North Star ADV has arrived. It is in the fleet now, and we are super excited to get our hands on this thing and get going on it. And I'll tell you what, with all the planning for the Arizona Peace Trail that's been going on, unfortunately this sort of leaves us in a bit of a conundrum, if you would, because we've got our Pro R Razor that's pretty much prepped for the trail already, and now we have this awesome new machine that is really just begging to be part of this whole adventure. And man, I tell you what, I gotta sit here and I gotta say, well, you know, what do you guys want to see? Should we take the old Razor? Do we take the new Expedition on the Peace Trail? I mean, if we take the Expedition, we still got a few things to do, because we got to get this thing ready to go. We got to load it up and we got to get communications done. We got to get some tires and wheels done. So we got to get some lighting done. I mean, we got a lot of things to do, and man, it's closing in fast. But I don't know, I kind of know which way I'm leaning, you know? I mean, hey, this is really exciting. Let's check this thing out. I've only got to touch it when we went to the expo up in Flagstaff. I got to see it a little bit, but now I've got to drive it around a little bit, and man, I'll tell you what, it's cool. So, you know, let's check it out. Now, obviously, this is the 5-seat, what they call the 5-seat ADV. So this is a full enclosed cab. It's got 4 doors. It's got bucket seats in the front, and then it's got a bench seat in the rear, hence your 5 seats. But the room inside of this thing is amazing. They've changed the ergonomics quite a bit. The whole dashboard is all new. Everything is new. It's very automotive-like. And, you know, it's got a tilt, telescoping wheel. Big guy like me, more leg room than I've ever had before in a UTV. Really cool. It's got nice armrests in here. Everything seems to be in the right place. The air conditioning blows ice cold and hard, so that's good. That's a good thing. Another reason maybe why we might want to take it on this trip. And of course, it's got a heater too. So again, good reason to take it on the trip. So windshield wiper, windshield washer. It's also got the tip out windshield like the Rangers do. So open air on a nice clean day. You know, we got open air riding too. That makes it nice. I mean, I'm just super stoked at how car-like or truck-like, I guess, this thing is inside. And you know what, driving it with the windows closed and the window down, you know, I had heard some complaints about the engine noise, and to be honest with you, it doesn't really seem abnormal to me. So I've been in a lot of UTVs, and the noise doesn't seem to be abnormal, really. So, you know, I can't wait again to get this thing out and do some more trail riding with it for sure, and see. But in the meantime, man, we got to get to work. We got to get this thing prepped and ready if we're going to take it. So comment on this thing. Comment on this video here, because I kind of like to know what you guys think. Should we take the ADV? Should we take the Razor? What do you think?